Text, Erie Insurance presents how to clean a dryer vent. A person removes clothing from a dryer. Text, be sure to unplug the dryer first. A person unplugs a dryer. Text, if necessary, pull the dryer away from the wall to make room. In a laundry room, a washer and dryer. Text, detach the dryer vent hose. With a screwdriver, a person detaches a dryer vent hose and pulls it away from the dryer. Text, wipe down the moisture sensors inside your dryer with a cotton ball and rubbing alcohol. They pour rubbing alcohol onto cotton and wipe the motion sensors inside the dryer. Text, use a vacuum to suction lint out of both ends of the hose. They vacuum the hose. Text, reattach the hose and move dryer back into place. They reattach the hose. Text, clean your home's exterior vent. Remove the vent cover, if necessary, and vacuum any lint until the vent pipe is clear. They vacuum lint from the vent pipe. Text, reconnect power and run the empty dryer. Check for lint blowing out the exterior vent. The person plugs the dryer in and presses the start button. No lint blows out of the exterior vent. Text, when in doubt, hire a pro. A professional cleans a vent with a brush. Text, Erie Insurance, above all in service since 1925, erieinsurance.com.